What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nico Scotty, aka Sir Steak a Lot, and we back with another video, man. Hit that like button and subscribe, man. We finally at 600 subscribers, man. I just want to say I appreciate you guys for supporting me, man. And we going straight to the moon with it, man. So I know we in a bear market right now and things are tough, but we just gotta bring it back to the basics, man. We gotta build, man. So I'm starting out this new content on my Medium. I want you guys to check it out. I'm gonna put the link down in the description, and it's called the Crypto Bible, man. I'm gonna be releasing different books, man, and I'm just gonna be getting our minds right and sharpened with all the information about crypto that we need. So this first book of NFTs, man, we just got to learn what Web3 is, man, and basically it's the metaverse, right? What's the metaverse? It's where we can surf the web and we can start making money and just being in these digital empires that run off of cryptocurrency, essentially, right? And they run on a blockchain, and a blockchain is just a whole bunch of data that just record all these transactions, man, and these transactions can be represented in art, music, and that's how you get NFTs. And it's the whole decentralized market, man, and it's all ways that we can just all start making money, man. This is all about financial freedom. It's not really a game, but fortunately NFTs have so many different utility where they can be games, they can be, like I said, this art here is a Bored Ape, but really what it is, it's allowing for Web3 brands to market themselves by giving exclusive club membership and utilities, man. So Web 1 was where we was going online and we was playing these video games like RuneScape, or we was logging into these companies' website and ordering things. And Web 2 is now where we can start making ourselves a brand on these websites such as Twitter, TikTok, and all that stuff, and we can just, kind of try to get paid from these companies. But the decentralized market, or Web3, man, it just gives us the opportunity to have full control over that for ourselves, and we can make all of these decisions for ourselves, man. It's just going crazy. People are making so much money off their NFTs, and I feel like it's just groundbreaking, man. So get yourself a wallet. There's different types. There's software storage, which is like Coinbase and Binance, and those are third-party companies that essentially still have control of your wallet. Hardware wallet is all up to you. It's a USB stick, and you're a full degen once you get into that lane. And as an investor, you want to know the difference between a coin and a token. A coin is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, things of that nature, or like I was running Harmony One for the last 6 months, right? But a token is any derivative of that. So like NFT, right? A non-fungible token. It's a derivative of the blockchain, and it represents it in a certain way, or it runs its own transactions under the chain of whatever coin it's running on. So when Jewel, before it became a coin, it was a token on the Harmony One blockchain, and that's what DeFi Kingdoms is running on. But now it's created its own chain, so Jewel is essentially a coin, and it's on its blockchain. It's running the game Crystalville, which has the token Crystal, right? I know crypto can be all volatile and so different and maybe hard to understand. If you actually go ahead, read this article, I hope that it's actually able to help you understand a little bit more. If you're not used to volatility, and you're just more so about the US dollar and trying to, flip some cash however you can by doing 9 to 5 or whatever the case might be, we have stable coins as well. And stable coins are literally what the name says. It's a coin that isn't volatile at all. It's a utility token, so it's built on a blockchain, and it's supposed to represent the US dollar. I know the other day it fell, but that's crypto, man. You gotta expect the unexpected in here, man. But NFT gaming is really what's bringing crypto to that next level in the metaverse. And like the internet started out on games. NFT gaming is literally the same thing, but it's allowing for games to run on blockchains, right? And the way they're doing it is as simple as games such as Evoverse, right? It's a Pokemon-like game. They have their own decentralized exchange system on FoxSwap, and they have many of opportunities to just go ahead and make money. And that gets me into the last section, which is yield farming for NFTs, right? For NFTs, what sold me and what got me in is not only that DeFi Kingdoms was like a game, and I knew it would be something that would be easy for me to understand. I was told that you can make passive income. Yield is the output per any input or investment that you put in. So basically, if I was to put in $5 into something, the yield is what I would make on that $5. And farming, it just represents the exponential growth of an asset. So I'm putting my $5 into something that's gonna grow exponentially, and that's yield farming, man. It's whenever you make the decision to put it in to something such as a liquidity pool. So you could become a liquidity provider by taking two of your investments, either coins or tokens, and putting them into a pool that's incentivized by a NFT project, and it'll give you their token, you know. But just for putting your investments into this pool, they'll reward you with that. Lend and borrow is like the same thing, but it's like you take an investment and you'll lend it to a protocol, NFT project, and they will incentivize you with their native coin or token that's at a certain value. Borrowing is the same thing, but opposite. You'll borrow assets based on the assets that you can lend by over collateralizing your tokens or your assets that you might have to offer. And you can also just still earn their native token at a certain APR. I hope this all making sense, but this is financial science behind crypto and staking. My name is Sir Stake a Lot, and staking is when you take your own asset, you stake it, and you earn a certain APR rates on it. The crazy thing about it is that saving account will offer you like less than 1% APY or APR. Literally, all these opportunities to yield farm, there's over 200% APR rates, up to 1,000, up to 10,000. Y'all seen it, man, with DeFi when it first came out. Y'all seen it with everything that I've been in. Evo versus, take a look at that, man. But that's pretty much it. Pretty much it when you get into NFTs, man. It's all cool and it's all confusing, but it's not a conspiracy theory. It's not a scam. It's not any of that. It's a lot to understand, but once you get it, man, you can start making some money. You can start freeing yourself. Most of my information, man, was definitely influenced by Whiteboard Crypto, some conversations with some goats like the High Indian, man. I put their link right here. So just check out this article. And once again, I hope it was something that you guys can be able to understand. It's not financial advice. It's just sauce. I know it's a lot to learn. So I'm just hoping that I'm able to break it down a little bit better for you guys. And I wish you guys luck in the journey. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me.